Hey, history buffs! Ever wondered how a city can rise from the ashes of war, not once, not twice, but 4 times? Today we're diving into the incredible story of Seoul, the indomitable capital of South Korea. In the early 1950s, Seoul found itself at the heart of one of the fiercest conflicts of the 20th century, the Korean War. This wasn't just a battle of soldiers, it was a struggle that saw entire cities, including Seoul, reduced to rubble. Imagine a bustling city, a symbol of national pride, suddenly turned into a battlefield. In June 1950, North Korean forces, backed by the Soviet Union, launched a surprise invasion of South Korea. Seoul, with its 1.5 million citizens, was caught off guard. But the story of Seoul is one of resilience. 4 times the city was captured and recaptured, each time suffering devastating destruction. Yet each time the spirit of its people shone through. When the United Nations, with significant contributions from the United States, intervened, hope began to flicker. The incredible amphibious landing at Incheon by General Douglas MacArthur and the subsequent liberation of Seoul marked a turning point. But the city was a shadow of its former self, homes destroyed, families scattered, and infrastructure obliterated. What followed was nothing short of miraculous. Despite the overwhelming odds, the people of Seoul began to rebuild. With the help of international aid, they restored water supplies, reopened schools, and restarted industries. American soldiers, alongside Korean civilians, worked tirelessly to clear debris, rebuild bridges, and restore power. Supplies poured in from around the world, food from Australia, medical supplies from Sweden, clothing from Britain. This was a global effort, united by a common goal, to see Seoul rise again. The resilience of Seoul's citizens was inspiring. Farmers returned to their fields, children went back to school, and new buildings began to spring up amidst the ruins. The city, once again, became a symbol of hope and recovery. By March 1951, Seoul had been liberated once more, and the massive task of rehabilitation was well underway. The city, which had been a battlefield, was now a testament to human endurance and the power of international solidarity. Even today, Seoul stands tall as a vibrant metropolis, a living reminder of its unyielding spirit. So the next time you think of Seoul, remember not just its modern marvels, but its incredible journey from war to recovery. Thanks for watching, history buffs. If you enjoyed this story of resilience and recovery, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tales from the annals of history. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present.